Hello everyone, The radio and TV producer Lumko Johnson has passed away at the age of 32. His family has confirmed the news on a statement. Film Pella, the entertainment commentator, has shared the statement. It is reported that Lumko passed away on Wednesday following a short hospitalization. The statement reads as follows: "It is with great sadness that we share the news of untimely passing of our beloved Lumko Johnson Leqela. They departed on the 14th of September 2022. Lumko first entered the public realm as a young teenager on the popular SABC 1 New TV platform. They went on to nurture a career in television, broadcast, radio, production and media, and radio super producer, actor, writer, and big deal in most spaces. This is a gut-wrenching loss to the Leqela family, their loved ones, the LGBTQIA+ community, and ultimately to the South African broadcast and television community. Lumko lived a life filled with purpose and authenticity. As we process this shock as a community, let us remember their light in this world." Details on memorial and funeral arrangements will be shared by the family in due course. The family asks that the public and media respect their privacy as they deal with this difficult loss. "I am still in disbelief. Such a bubbly soul. May his soul rest in peace. Prayers to the family and friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news."